maybe it's the fisherman's handouts. Or maybe it is the abundance of food in Papua's waters. The mystery of Sendawashi's whale sharks remains unsolved. The forests of Papua are home to many strange creatures. Isolated for thousands of years, many have evolved unique adaptations. Sugar gliders are small enough to fit into a human hand. These miniature marsupials are nocturnal hunters, surviving by scavenging the treetops for a meal. Able to survive on leaves alone, they prefer something with a bit more crunch. Insects are a protein-packed delicacy. But in these wild forests, there is not always safety in numbers. Predators can quickly turn into prey. Stealth is the snake's secret weapon. Ambush assassins, they strike suddenly and swiftly. Luckily, the sugar glider has a trick of its own, and the snake is left to search elsewhere for its evening meal. New Guinea lies in the Pacific Ocean's Ring of Fire, marking the eastern boundary of Indonesia's island chain. Melting pot of tectonic activity, volcanic eruptions and earthquakes are a daily occurrence. Much of what we see today was forged deep below the ground. For almost 300 million years, New Guinea was attached to what is now known as Australia, as the ebb and flow of the Earth's crust decided its fate. Eventually, the crust settled, but it was not until the end of the last glacial period, 7,000 years ago, that the island claimed its freedom. Rising sea levels flooded the Australian lowlands, cutting New Guinea off and creating a new island state. Caught between two plates, New Guinea buckled under the pressure of successive collisions, forming a mountainous ridge running down its spine. Today, it remains the largest and highest tropical island in the world, and one of the last wildernesses left on Earth. The Indonesian region of Papua encompasses the western half of New Guinea. Shrouded in mystery, it has remained inaccessible to all but a few. And bizarre prehistoric birds stand as tall as a man. Papua is a land of lost worlds and a stronghold for the strange. Birds were one of the earliest creatures to colonize the island. Isolated in this lost world, with an abundance of food and a lack of predators, they were left to evolve beyond imagination.